Hey YouTube, YBHS Terra Garden here today. Today I'm showing you our soil blocks. This is a total new thing we're working on. And what they are is, it's in the name. It's literally soil blocks. So why? Well, these soil blocks contain themselves. You don't need any pots or plastic to hold them up. They're just perfect on its own. They're just ready to plant too. It's super helpful for the environment because it's saving plastic, it's saving resources, that water and stuff that goes into making those resources. We just have them right here like that, and it's perfect. And we plant we have a variety of what we're planting too. This one's a cabbage. These are cabbages. They're growing real well, as you can see too. They work. This one's kale. We got some kale growing in here too. And we're working on some more over here. Now, the process that we use to make this is we bunch up the dirt right here, a good amount. Then we take this contraption and we place it inside the dirt. When we place it, we get a good pile going, make it a little moist. And then we grab a good block and then pop them out like that. And the result is these soil blocks. See? Good lighting here. These are perfectly solid and they're great for planting, as you can see over here. Super beneficial for the environment, saving so much more resources and way more efficient, I believe. And watering them is just putting water in a little tray and it just absorbs on its own. This is our new gardening cat. His name is Ghost. We got him like a few months ago. He's been hunting rats and all the mouses and stuff out of the garden. He's a killer. He's a ghost-faced killer. He's super sweet when he's around humans, but he kills for a living. We love him. I'm going to feed him in a bit, so till next time, what YouTube? Later. Say bye, Ghost. Ghost, say bye.